Hi, welcome back to Page Bros Design. Today I have a stationery project, and I know in this day and age of text messages and emails, stationery isn't all that relevant. Sometimes it's really nice just to receive a lovely message from someone you love, the old-fashioned way, snail mail. And since Mother's Day is coming up, a lot of our mothers really don't need anything, but they could probably use some stationery made by you. And it's influenced by May Day flowers, which is coming up in a little over a week. And it's just lovely stationery that I made out of some really basic lackluster photographs that I took in the desert, and I took way too many of them. One day I was sitting here with a enamel pen, and I just wondered how well the enamel pen would stick to a photograph, and I started coloring it in, and I just colored around the prettiest parts of the photographs. And eventually I got a lot of them done, and I cut them into 1.5 by 2 inch rectangles on a cutter like this. And there I cut some backing cardstock. Arranged then the rectangles on it, and I played around with it just a little bit so that the flow of each photograph to the other sort of played with each other, but there was some sense of purpose to it. I used my favorite glue, my 3M quick drying glue, to adhere them, and after I glued them on some basic cardstock, bifold cardstock, I placed them under this picture frame, and I always keep several of these on hand just for this purpose. It's great because sometimes when you put glue on the back, it seeps out and then ruins your image. And by using this heavy plate glass, you can see if the glue is coming out, and you can lift it really quickly and wipe it off, and it doesn't ruin your card. And when I finished, I bundled several of them together, tied them off with a really pretty piece of string, and it's now ready for Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. I love you. Hope you have a great Mother's Day and May Day and a beautiful spring. And please come back and join me again. Bye.